the intersection of nature and extreme architecture, mountain homes for inspired living. Introduction: A journey into mountain living. Welcome to Nook Up, where we explore the remarkable world of architecture and interior design. In today's video, we will delve into the intersection of nature and extreme architecture, mountain homes for inspired living. This exploration reveals how contemporary mountain homes harmonize with their stunning natural surroundings, offering not only a place to live but also an inspired lifestyle. With breathtaking views, innovative designs, and a commitment to sustainability, these homes represent the pinnacle of modern architectural creativity. If you enjoy discovering unique living spaces, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments as we embark on this journey together. Embracing nature through design. One of the most striking features of modern mountain architecture is its ability to embrace nature. Architects design these homes to seamlessly integrate with their surroundings, using natural materials such as wood, stone, and glass that reflect the local landscape. This integration goes beyond aesthetics; it creates a living environment that fosters a deep connection to the natural world. Large windows and open spaces allow for unobstructed views, inviting the beauty of the mountains indoors. This approach not only enhances the visual appeal of the home but also promotes a lifestyle that Innovative structural elements. Extreme architecture often features innovative structural elements that redefine traditional design principles. In mountain homes, architects utilize techniques such as cantilevers, stilts, and green roofs to adapt to challenging terrains and extreme weather conditions. These structures not only provide stability but also create dramatic visual effects that enhance the home's presence in the landscape. For example, a cantilevered deck can offer breathtaking views while providing a unique space for outdoor living. This innovative approach to architecture Sustainability at the core. As awareness of environmental issues grows, many mountain homes prioritize sustainability in their designs. Architects and builders are increasingly incorporating eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient technologies into their projects. Features such as solar panels, geothermal heating, and rainwater harvesting systems not only reduce the ecological footprint of these homes but also promote a self-sufficient lifestyle. By using local materials and designing for energy efficiency, these homes respect the environment while providing comfortable living spaces that enhance quality of life. The role of interior spaces. The interiors of mountain homes are crafted with a focus on functionality and comfort, reflecting the same principles of harmony found in their exteriors. Open concept layouts create a sense of flow and connectivity, making spaces feel larger and more inviting. Natural light floods these homes through expansive windows, highlighting the beauty of the materials used and the stunning views outside. Minimalist decor often dominates the interior, emphasizing simplicity and elegance while ensuring that the surroundings remain the focal point. This thoughtful approach to interior design Outdoor living, expanding horizons. Outdoor spaces are an essential component of mountain living, serving as extensions of the home that allow residents to fully engage with their environment. Patios, decks, and gardens are designed to complement the architecture while providing areas for relaxation, dining, and entertaining. Thoughtful landscaping often incorporates native plants that require minimal maintenance and support local wildlife. Fire pits, outdoor kitchens, and comfortable seating areas create inviting settings for gatherings and family moments. These outdoor spaces enhance the quality of life. Cultural influences in design. Mountain architecture is often influenced by the cultural context of the region. Many homes incorporate traditional design elements and local craftsmanship that reflect the heritage and history of the area. This blend of modern and traditional styles creates a unique architectural narrative that resonates with residents and visitors alike. By honoring the cultural influences of the region, these homes tell a story that enriches the living experience. This cultural significance can be seen in everything from the choice of materials to the decorative elements that adorn the interiors. Future trends in mountain architecture. As technology advances and design philosophies evolve, the future of mountain architecture holds exciting possibilities. We can expect to see even more innovative materials and techniques that enhance sustainability and energy efficiency. Biophilic design principles, which emphasize the connection between humans and nature, will likely play a significant role in future projects, creating homes that are not only visually stunning but also promote well-being. Additionally, smart home technologies will continue to integrate into mountain community and lifestyle. Mountain homes often foster a strong sense of community and connection among residents. Many developments are designed with communal spaces that encourage social interaction and collaboration. Whether it's through shared gardens, recreational facilities, or communal gathering areas, these spaces create opportunities for neighbors to connect and build relationships. This sense of community enriches the living experience, making mountain living not just about the homes themselves, but about the lifestyle and relationships cultivated within these unique environments. Conclusion: inspired living in harmony with nature. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the intersection of nature and extreme architecture, mountain homes for inspired living. From innovative designs and sustainable practices to cultural influences and community connections, these homes exemplify how architecture can beautifully merge with the natural world. We hope this video has inspired you to appreciate the artistry involved in creating mountain residences. If you enjoyed this journey, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Nook Up for more insightful content,